Hi, I'm Alan, and I'm back again here. And I want to show you what I've done so far. And let me flip this camera over here. Okay, what I'm doing here now, I started some more lettuce seeds. This time they're starting to pop up. The other container I had, which is this container here, didn't do anything. I threw that out. I'm collecting eggshells to help fertilize the ground, which I haven't done yet. So these here lettuce seeds are plants. This is marigolds called Cracker Jack. And this one here is marigolds called Count Jester. Now I'll show you pictures of them, what they're supposed to look like. And this here I just started. It's called Paris Cress. It's toothache plants. I'm gonna see what I can do with those. And this is my one lettuce I started a while back. It's still like it looks like it stopped growing, so I'm not worried about that one. And let me come down here now and see no lettuce right there. So that's a bummer. But I do got this one lettuce, and that's it on this part. Hopefully it grows. Might be getting too much sun. These are onions, I believe there are. These are my cherry tomatoes. Starting to get blooms on them. That back one there that's blooming, that's what I grew through the winter. Cucumbers, let me back this up a little bit. They're starting to grow with buds on them. And pepperoncinis, they're starting to take off. And let me go above here. And this is what we started with our garden here. We decided to go this way now. It's a lot more sturdier. It's really sturdy. And got two tomato plants here that I saved up through the winter. They're actually growing. I'm gonna do it again. And stay tuned this autumn. I'm gonna show you how I done it. This empty space next to it, I probably put some lettuce in there. I don't know yet. These are just started bought plants here. You can see some tomatoes there. These are my jalapenos. But I never had jalapenos that started out yellow before that I noticed. So we'll see what happens. These are sweet peppers. These are bell peppers. See, can you see any bell pepper there? I see one. I don't know if you can see it through this camera, through the screen or not. There's, there's some hidden in there. Anyway, these are more tomato plants. These are the Jet Star. These are the rocket plants. Look kind of ugly when they start growing. I don't know how the tomatoes going to be. And these are my watermelons. Haven't tried growing watermelons in years. Never succeeded in it. I'm gonna try it again. And these are our potatoes. And see, this is root borer. I think it was. No, asparagus. This is asparagus. Duh. Yeah. We got some fruits here. I forgot what that is. I thought it was peach, but I think Shelly said it was something else. I'm gonna have to put tags on these trees so I can remember them. These are donut peaches here. See, way down there we got a cherry tree, but it's not doing nothing. Uh, it's an apple tree here. The leaves don't look so healthy. Probably won't do nothing. Oh, I walked by the raspberry plant. Forgot to show it to you. This is blackberries here, going all along here. They used to be all here, but we trim them all down, clear this area out. Now they're right here. Let me see if I can zoom in over there. Those are raspberries. These are currant berries. We already had a couple of little berries off of them. Dusty Miller, we used to have a lot in here, but got rid of most of them. Hostas, gladiolas. So you get gladiolas has flowers now. There's more gladiolas. They have pretty flowers. Then the strawberries, they're about had it for now. Might get some more this autumn out of the strawberries. Love the gladiolas though. More hostas. And then over here, we got grapevine. We usually get grapes around here. I might have to start putting nettings over these because toward the end of the summer, we get squirrels come over here and start stealing them and birds. So I'm thinking maybe by next year, putting some netting over these. Peony, which only grow flowers about like every spring, I think it is. More gladiolas, they haven't bloomed yet. More hostas, those got blooms on it. This one gladiola is going to be blooming sooner or later. And some more gladiolas. They're doing a slow start here, probably because too much shade. Then we got daylilies here. And Shelly planted some different kind of daylilies too. Some of them got destroyed from the wood pile falling down. More hostas. More gladiolas. And this bush here was full of stickers. More gladiolas. I mean hostas, more hostas. And these are there's mother-in-law plant and some other trees here that we usually take in during the winter. And some flowers there. Forgot the name of them. Forget the name of these two. And over by the mailbox there, those are blazing stars. They'll flower later on in the summer. And then these, Shelly planted these. I forgot the name of those. I tried to look it up on Google, but it didn't work. Anyway, that's what I done so far. So I'll keep you up to tabs, what's happening around here and what I do and what I accomplish. So keep watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time. Later.